would you describe Howl-O-Scream in 13 words only?
In 13 words, I would say Howl-O-Scream, it's hyphenated, is incredibly terrifying to everyone who visits our park.
Gore, blood, guts, scare, amazing, awesome, super cool, Howl-O-Scream shop of horrors, voodoo, creepy, run for your life, come back next year.
Is Howl-O-Scream one word? Yeah. Okay. Howl-O-Scream is the most exciting, scary, fun, visceral, amazing, haunted attraction in the world. That's kind of 13.
Howl-O-Scream is creatively and very greatly planned to create an awesome experience overall.